How to allow apps to access the storage on Android device. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to give access to storage for any third-party application, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. The first step is to open up your settings. Now you want to simply search for Permission Manager. So it doesn't matter which device you're using, you can simply access Permission Manager in this way. Now from here, you want to scroll down and find the Files option. So from here, you can check out all the applications where you have allowed access to all the files. Then from here, tap on See More Apps that can access all files option. If any one of these is toggled off, then you can simply toggle the option on to allow access to files. Now let's head back. Now your storage also includes media such as photos and videos, so tap on that option. Then from here, you can check out all the applications which has access to photos and videos. Scroll down and find the options which are not allowed. Now, if you want to allow the apps to get the storage access, then simply tap on allow in this way. Now, there is another way to do this, which is manually. So for that, you want to head back. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on apps. Then from here, you can select whichever app that you want to allow the storage access to. And then you want to tap on permissions. Now from this option, you can simply allow it if it has